Somebody was desperate to get that mattress home. Holy crap. What's this gas efficiency like right now? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that. Matter of fact, just listen to this. No.
Like Ike. Share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree. Comment like the meteor's crashing down on you. And ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J. Okay?
Alright guys, so if you don't know who that was, that's Aaron. And what I decided to do was have him do kind of my own like subscribe type of commercial, things like that, just to make it more interesting. So for anybody who is not new and been around, if you see that, that's what that is. I do maybe should apologize to Sonny Bono's family about him, Aaron mentioning him hit a tree, but I mean, it was kind of funny. So and again, for anybody new, hit that subscribe button. You're gonna see him, you're gonna see me, you're gonna see a lot of my other friends, you're gonna see what's behind that door, obviously the Genesis Coupe build and things like that. But what I wanted to show you guys today, I actually did something, because I told you guys I got some more parts in. Well, I actually installed something kind of to the Gen. And as you can see, oh wait, you've seen the oil catch can right here. Well, what did I do? I've got an oil catch can right here. Obviously I haven't hooked it up yet because I still got to get get hoses and things like that. This line has to go here to the PCV. I think it's a PCV, I don't even know. And then this one to the valve cover. One of you guys suggested that I get another oil catch can and things like that for the intake side, so it did. Hopefully that works out. But obviously I'm going to be putting in the other motor soon, but I wanted just to get that mounted because I'm trying to figure out where everything's supposed to go and things like that. Let me go in the house and show you what else I got, okay? Alright guys, so before I show you what else I got, plus I got to order 2 other things, maybe 3 other things, but I wanted to show you this first, which was, here is the valve cover so far. As you can see right now, it's completely black. Obviously that's not the color, it was more of a dingy gray before, but it's not staying, the whole thing is not staying black. If you can remember, I bought red paint as well. Well, the problem with the red paint is, what can I paint here? Let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, that right there looks to be orange to me, not red, which I don't like that. The whole point is for it to be red. And then obviously what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tape off a certain section of this and go with like red, probably something like here across and over on that side, and then gonna do my saying here and then something else here as well. I did also think about, I already painted this black, and this is the obviously the engine paint or whatever it's called. Actually I have it right here. It's engine enamel. But what I'm thinking is I may go over that black with this black. And what is this black? This is actually the color of the car. I think the color code is for the Genesis Coupe for that black is NBA. Yes, National Basketball Association. Basically space black metallic. And I think what I may go over this with this and then do the same thing, but we'll see. I'm thinking about it. Let me know what you guys think about that. So let me show you what I got in, what else I got in the mail. The other first thing was that oil catch can. which I actually had to MacGyver in, you know, things like, you know how I do, a couple of zip ties, bolt, things like that. So, but the other thing is, if you guys recall, I asked you in the last video what you think I should get, what you think I should do. Somebody made a suggestion, but I had already went ahead and got basically, okay. I bought an AEM electronic boost gauge. I was going to get the AEM boost controller gauge, which obviously shows boost as well. But I remembered that I have the Grimspeed 3-port MBC electronic manual boost controller, and that can be tuned with the Haltech ECU, so I didn't actually need to get a boost controller. So I went with this boost gauge. I am planning on getting two other things. Well, three. I need a wideband boost gauge, and obviously, and I need the, what am I thinking? I think this. A 3-bar map sensor. I'm gonna get the Piranha Works, also because it has the like adapter and things like that. So a 3-bar map sensor, which should be good enough, should be enough. And I also need to get a rear drive shaft coupler kit, because from what I've been reading, that's part of the reason why the steering wheel, when it hits between 60 and 80, is shaking the way it is. I've read that a few people have changed that, and it's made a world of difference. So I'm gonna try it and let you guys know how that goes. But what I'm gonna do now, I gotta bring Cam to practice, and then when I get back, I'm actually gonna start taping off that valve cover, because then what I need to do is use like an X-Acto knife to cut out the exact shape and things like that. So let me get her to practice. Let me know what you guys think about this AEM boost gauge. I will do a video about the install and things like that, because somebody asked me to do that before a while ago, so I'll do that. So let me get her to practice. Whew, it's hot, hot. Look at that, look at that. And I haven't even got to the gym yet. Going. Guys, guess who I found sitting at the front desk? I don't know who that kid is. Yeah, looking like a ninja. What's up with that headband? I think I was ever small.
In my head, I imagine. Oh, that's right. You told me you were like a big dude.
No, I was small, then I was big, and then I lost the weight.
So if you were big and then you were small, when did you become Tupac?
Tupac.
Big, small.
Oh, Biggie. Okay, so I wanted to show you this because I know how you love my music selection.
Wait, John C.
Sometimes you just can't see me, son.
Ugh. God, where are you, like 3? Jesus.
4.
Oh, God.
I just wanted to see your reaction to this.
I don't hate John Cena as much nowadays, but still, good God.
Sometimes the music.
Burying your talents with the golden shovel.
Oh, that hurt.
He buried a lot of good wrestlers. He was the Hulk Hogan.
I just have one question for you. Before I walked in today, you were wearing a white headband. Were you trying to be like the Karate Kid?
I was tying my hair back.
No, you were wearing a white headband. I was wondering if you were trying to be Karate Kid. I was looking for Mr. Miyagi.
No, I was trying to be the other Ninja Turtle, the 5th one.
Oh. Marcellus.
Yep, Leonardo, Raphael.
Have you ever watched?
Why didn't I say Rodon? There would be another. No, because he was a Renaissance painter and he has a cool name.
Right.
Rodon.
Have you ever watched Marcel the Shell?
No.
Really?
I don't know what the fuck it is.
Look it up on you guys. Look up Marcel the Shell on YouTube. It's the dumbest, funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Is this like starring Ving Rhames as well?
No, it's like
And Bruce Willis?
you kind of
Samuel Jackson?
You kind of remind me of Marcel the Shell.
Is Marcel going to...
he's a shell.
Is he going to put the stupid ball gong thing in and go to Zed's shop?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Quentin Tarantino loves using strong black actors in his movies.
Like myself.
Pretend you're Ving Rhames in that movie. What happened to Ving Rhames in that?
Shut up.
Yeah, you
Shut
got
up.
the joke. Took you a while, huh?
Shut up.
Took him a while to get
Shut
it
up.
too.
Don't ever watch Pulp
Getting
Fiction.
it and getting it. Oh, let me figure out what sword I want to use.
Okay.
Oh,
Anyway.
man. Shit. I'll get the big sword or the little sword. Meanwhile.
Okay. Okay. All right. My battery's gonna die. So yeah. Anyway. Watch.
I bet Ving Rhames wanted to die.
Shut up. I'm gonna get some hard, cold, piping mauve.
He just wanted some damn donuts.
Mr. Soon to be living his short life in
He left that.
in agonizing pain.
He left that shop with a glazed donut.
Okay. Yeah. Watch Pulp Fiction. But anyway, watch Marcel.
Glazed donuts.
Watch it on YouTube. Watch Marcel the Shell.
Wait,
okay, I'm coming.
I've got one more. The world is a donut and we are nothing but holes.
Okay.
The world is a donut and we are nothing but
assholes.
But holes.
Buttholes. Wow. Okay. All right.
Sometimes you're a munchkin.
Oh, okay. All right.
Chocolate ones.
All right. I gotta get out of here because it's past 8:30 and you gotta close. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here for today. Watch Marcel the Shell and tell me if he reminds you of Aaron.
Does he look like a bitch?
Wow. Does Marcel Wallace look like a bitch to you?
Why are you trying to fucking brag? Why did they shoot Marvin in the face?
I don't know.
That was Phil Lamar.
Okay.
He voiced Samurai Jack.
Okay, I gotta go. All right, guys. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe.
Don't shoot Marvin in the face, guys.
Right. And I'll let you guys see the valve cover in the next video. And I kind of went and repainted
Subscribe with furious vengeance and great fury.
Right. All right. Anyway, guys, make no limitation your only limitation.